Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Before you are going to move into the video, tutorial, you have to watch the video first. Okay, this simple video which I made on this AI tool for free. Okay, there are two girls at the classroom while studying. So these simple scenes we have created by this free AI tool. Okay, so let's move into the tutorial step by step. So you have to go to the tool which is a this VA tool which is this one. Okay, chat GLM AI. Oh, this is the China AI tool. So you can see here this is look like this, but it's completely free. You will be able to generate free, but at the first time you will be able to log in via your Gmail account. But this is Chinese. There are languages are Chinese. You have to go to the address bar, click on it, make it as English. It has been converted as English. Okay, so here there are many options. You will be able to create the drawing, or these are the upgrade version. So here the AI reading, everything you can ask it, can data analytics. There are many options are there. At the moment we are going to create the video now. So click on the video option, this. Okay, here you have to update the prompt, what the prompt you need. Okay, according to the prompt you have created the video. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is here, first you have to go to the ChatGPT and ask, act as a world best creator for video. You have to write act as a world best video prompt creator. Prompt creator. Here is a prompt. I need you to create the effective and concise this video. Concise video. So here I'm going. There are two Indian girls. Girls are meet each other at the Indian court. Two Indian girls meet each other at the Coil Indian court. Okay, click on it. The simple story I'm telling. Okay, two Indian girls are meet each other at the Indian court. Okay, so what is the prompt you are given? What is the text you are given? According to the text, the prompt has been generated. Okay, you can go through that prompt. It has been generated very in detail. Okay, if you go through that, two Indian girls are meet each other at traditional Indian court. Okay, so this is generated very in detail. Okay, you just copy this, go to the respective AI tool, paste on this box. Okay, if you have any image of that two girls, you will be able to upload some other person photo over here. I don't have any photo, so that right now I just copy and paste this prompt only. You can click on it. Okay, so when you click on it, it start to create the video. You have to wait until the video has been created. So it's take around 1 to 2 minutes to create the video. Here it take around 3 minutes to create the video. You have to wait until the video has been created. Okay, so let's back. I write back with the tutorial after create the video. Now you can see the output. Video has been generated successfully. If you want to download the video, you click on the download button over here. If you click on it, the video has been downloaded. First, you have to check whether you are satisfied on that video or not. If you are not satisfied, don't bother about this one. Again, you will be able to generate the video. There is another, if you click on it again, it has been generated from the scratch. Okay, so here it seems to be okay. In here there's a two Indian girls meet each other at Kobe. Okay, so if it is not as you expected, result is not done accepted, as you accepted, you have to regenerate it again. Okay, so it take around 1 or 2 minutes. It will be generated again the video. Okay, it's no problem, right? So this one I have generated, the result is okay with me, but at the moment this is not, this result is not okay, because that is simply the people identify this is a AI generator. Okay, so we have to generate it again. We'll see, check the result.